Yes, we are live.
Uh, if we are meant to stay at one place, then I think we would have got roots instead of having the feet. And when you talk about traveling, it should be a life to somebody because when you travel, it opens up your mind and it gives you a different learning. Because traveling can at times leave you speechless and turn you into a storyteller. The more you go out, the more you explore, and it opens up your heart, it broadens up your mind, and it fills your life with memories and stories. So, Hari Om, Shivoham, and a very good evening to all our viewers who are watching us online. And I am very happy to have our today's speaker, who is Sri Gunjan Mathur, and he is the CEO of Travelostan Holidays, and pretty much from Jodhpur, as far as I know him. And today we'll be talking about because we have been talking about the mental health from last so many days during all our sessions. तो आज हम ट्रैवलिंग की बात करेंगे बिकॉज जब हम योग को जोड़ते हैं, जब हम ट्रैवल की बात करते हैं और जब हम मेंटल हेल्थ की बात करते हैं, इन तीनों का जो है आपस में एक बहुत ही गहरा संबंध है. एंड आज हम इसी संबंध को एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं, एंड आई थिंक गुंजन इज गोइंग टू हेल्प अस आउट टू एक्सप्लोर दिस पर्टिकुलर the thing that I always had in my mind because he is a travel expert. So moving on to Gunjan. Hi Gunjan, how are you?
Namaskar, Kamakani. I thank the whole team of Mantra and Studio Deepti and Deep Chauhan for inviting me on the occasion of International Yoga Day. मतलब योगा और ट्रैवलिंग की बात करें तो इट इज ऑलमोस्ट समवट लाइक कि इट गोज पैरेलल. योग
Right.
योग करने के लिए वी हैव टू गो टू अ डेस्टिनेशन और डेस्टिनेशन जाने के लिए हमें ट्रैवल तो करना ही पड़ता है. So
Definitely.
it goes together and traveling is not a new thing which we are doing. It is since ages we are doing traveling.
Yep, that's true. And like Gunjan, that you said that we have been, traveling since the ages because I think there is one very important factor for this, that if you really want to make your travel adventurous, you really need to leave yourself behind so that, when you are traveling, you really get to learn those memories. So moving ahead, Gunjan, before we take this session ahead on to mental health, first I would like to tell you something about Travelostan to the people.
Okay. So Travelostan is a venture of my own. So I started it around 3 years back, and it was like after working with almost all the major companies of the travel industry like Thomas Cook and Cooks and things, it came to my mind that why shouldn't I start something of my own which is something experiential into it. So the journey of Travelostan is all about traveling. It includes the holidays, it includes the visas, it includes flights, and everything you want for the traveler.
Okay,
So you
that's
can say a
great.
one-stop
And
solution
okay,
for the travelers.
okay, that's really great. Because I was rather interested to know that what exactly, because the name is really fascinating. You usually don't get to hear this name, so I think it is a mix of Rajasthan and travel, right? If I'm not
Not
mistaken, like
exactly,
this.
not exactly Rajasthan. Sthan means a place.
Okay, Sthan means a place.
Sthan means a place. So
Okay,
travel
okay.
to
So
places means Travelostan.
okay, very creatively crafted. So moving ahead, I my next question is that I just want to ask you that practically speaking, do you think that traveling has some sort of a mental impact on any person?
So talking about mental health and traveling, like it is said, we can say it as a state of mind. क्योंकि
Hmm.
ट्रैवल करने के लिए उसको आदमी को मन से तैयार होना पड़ता है. अ पर्सन नीड्स टू बी मेंटली फिट फॉर ट्रैवलिंग.
Hmm.
सो ट्रैवल मतलब आई जस्ट से वन कोट व्हिच इज रिटन बैक also that travel is the only thing which you buy, is the only thing which you buy that makes you rich. The traveling is all about experiences. Wherever you travel,
Right.
whichever
Hmm.
place you travel, it makes you a story. It has a different stories. It has new adventures, new learning from everywhere. So even if
Hmm.
you move from Jodhpur to any other place, for example, Udaipur or Jaipur, so there is a different kind of learning. You learn to know. Just an example, you learn to know the places which are in between coming. For example, Sambar Lake आ
Exactly.
रहा है या मेरता सिटी आ रहा है, तो वहाँ का भी there is a difference of it. कहीं के पर अगर हम ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं, this is just an example I am quoting. If you are traveling from Jodhpur to Jaipur by train, तो इट इज अ थिंग विच इज लाइक कि हमें मेटा रोड आते ही कुछ कुछ खुशबू आती है, वो क्या पकौड़ों की। तो
Very
दैट
true.
इज मेंटल हेल्थ।
Right.
फिर जैसे ही
Right.
हम लोग जयपुर तक आते हैं, तो जयपुर में भी हमें सबसे पहले क्या ध्यान में आता है कि जयपुर का घेवर या जयपुर की मिठाई।
Right. Right.
दिस इज ऑल माइंडसेट कि हम लोग माइंडसेट लेके चलते हैं कि हाँ भाई हमें जयपुर जाना है तो हमें ये चीज़ करनी है, जयपुर जाना है तो ये चीज़ करनी है।
Right. Okay. So, very interesting, the example that you gave. Now, I really need to travel myself. Now, moving forward, can you tell us? This is not my question, basically. Somebody from my team has asked this question because they really find it difficult while traveling. What do you think is a basic preparation while you are moving on for any sort of a travel? Like, what are the essentials and what are the things that you really need to take care when you are traveling?
So, firstly, we need to check out that when you are traveling, so you are physically and mentally both fit.
Hmm.
First and the foremost thing, it is like कि आप चलने फिरने की स्थिति में होना चाहिए घूमने के लिए. It is not that
Hmm.
you are going with a knee pain and going to places like Shimla, Manali. That
Hmm.
that would again hurt your body. तो सबसे पहले
Okay.
तो हम लोग
Okay.
कहते हैं कि फिजिकली और मेंटली फिट होना चाहिए आदमी को. कहीं पे भी जाओ,
Hmm.
एक्स वाई जेड एनी प्लेस यू ट्रैवल, यू शुड बी फिजिकली
Okay.
एंड मेंटली फिट. एंड सेकंड
Okay.
बात आती है कि व्हेन वी हैव चोजन द डेस्टिनेशन, जब हमने जगह
Hmm.
तय कर दी है कि हमें भाई इस छुट्टियों में हम लोग शिलोंग जाएंगे या इस छुट्टियों में हम लोग आसाम जाएंगे, तो फर्स्टली वी शुड चेक व्हेन वी आर गोइंग देयर व्हिच सीजन इज प्रेफरेबल फॉर दैट प्लेस.
Okay. Okay.
बिकॉज अगर दो कुछ मौसम ऐसे होते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी शुड नॉट ट्रैवल टू राजस्थान इन द मंथ ऑफ summers because it's too hot over here.
Absolutely.
Same goes
Absolutely.
same goes the case with destinations where the monsoon, for example, if we take to Assam, so Assam is not
Hmm.
favorable during monsoon because there's state of flood and everything. Flood is rains
Okay.
are very high and there is a state of flood. तो उसमें आपको
Hmm.
ट्रैवल करने में परेशानी आ सकती है. So मैं
Hmm.
that is not preferable. Check the season. Second is कि when we have checked the season and everything we have checked it, so pack only the essentials with you. मतलब travel light. ज़्यादा सामान नहीं बेच, जो कुछ ज़रूरी
Hmm.
है वो हमें लेके जाना है.
Hmm.
हमने वेदर चेक कर लिया, वहाँ पे सर्दी है तो सर्दी के हिसाब से कपड़े ले गए, गर्मी है तो गर्मी के हिसाब से कपड़े ले गए. And if we are going to a beach destination, we should pack our clothes like this. So we
Okay.
should the packing is the essential thing where you should take care of your luggage कि लगेज हमें आसानी से हम लोग लेके जा सके.
True. Yeah, because very difficult for females to carry those. They have to carry some extra packages, and it. I mean, I'm not talking about anybody else. It happens with me that I need to have
So
that one bag extra.
that's why I said it travel light.
Yeah, it
Pack
is very
only,
important to travel light.
pack only the essentials. And the last and
Yeah.
the least thing, first and the last, I'll say this thing. This is the first and the last thing which one should not forget is the first aid kit or the basic medicine kit,
Yes.
which is
Very
like
important.
which is very important कि आपको एटलीस्ट
Hmm.
आपके साथ में फर्स्ट एड बहुत जरूरी है, जिसमें आपके पास सर्दी जुकाम की, पेट खराब की, ये सब दवाइयाँ होनी चाहिए. बिकॉज वेन एवर यू आर ट्रैवलिंग टू अ प्लेस, there's always
Hmm.
always we have seen the thing कि वहाँ जाके किसी ना किसी की तबीयत खराब होती है, टचवुड ऐसा ना हो. But
Right.
this
Right.
it happens because of the change in the environment, because of the change in the air.
Hmm. Hmm.
तो इसीलिए फर्स्ट एड किट इज योर एसेंशियल किट, जो आपने आपको अगर
Okay.
इफ यू आर ऑन medication, then you should carry your basic medications. Even if you are not on a
Hmm.
medication, then you must carry the essential medicines with you, which can be useful to you with the trip, for the trip.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, Gunjan, for letting us know. And I think this is the most useful information which anyone should know, because this is the way. This is the part. If you do it correctly, the whole traveling becomes really, really simple, smooth, and it's really, really comfortable. So if you need to make your travel comfortable, you definitely need to follow these things. And moving on to our next question, Gunjan. We all have been hit hard by COVID 19, whether you talk physically or you talk about mental state. Now, because it's the International Yoga Day and wellness tours have been very common for the people who are coming from abroad. But when you talk about we as the localites, or if you talk about India as such, the people are not pretty much aware about wellness tours. So during this particular time of COVID, do you think that the wellness tours can play an important role? And what are these wellness tours basically?
So I think this is like the current situation or the very right time to hit this topic. I should say this is a need of the hour, because
Yeah.
wellness is actually, wellness tourism is very old in India. अगर हम लोग बात
Hmm.
करें आयुर्वेदा, योगा, these are all part of wellness,
Hmm.
and this is around,
Hmm.
जहाँ तक हमारी नॉलेज में, this is more than 3000 years old, और उससे भी
Yep.
पुराना हो सकता है. तो
Hmm.
3000 years is old which is documented, और उससे भी पुराना
Yes.
हो सकता है चीज. So in India,
Hmm.
wellness is like कि हमारे साथ में ही wellness है. Wellness is
Hmm.
with us. Even wellness is at our homes also. So
Right.
if we consider this current situation, then wellness tools are
Hmm.
very necessary for us, because you are there in approximately 2-2.5 महीने हो चुके हमें. We are all sitting in our homes, and in a situation of lockdown, we are all working from our home. That again is a
Hmm.
good point, that we are all with our family and everything, but there is just a negative point which we say, that we are all
Hmm.
considered, or we are all packed in a place, in a certain area only itself. We have like हमने अपने आप को उसी क्षेत्र में या उसी जगह हमने बांध लिया है, या बंद गए हैं,
Hmm.
because of this pandemic. So
Right.
wellness tools, why you should go for a wellness tour, because it would be it would cure yourself. The mental health, सबसे पहले तो आपकी जो मानसिक स्थिति है उसको स्थिर
Hmm.
हो जा करेंगे. Wellness tools are the
Hmm.
places, or the which are, we say that uh, they are these holidays which would cure yourself. You should not,
Hmm.
आपको अंदर से cure करेंगे. You, whether you go for
Hmm.
a nature, right, you go to any place which is like very close to
Hmm.
nature, you go for a river rafting, or you indulge in any activity. So again,
Hmm.
indulging in an activity is a kind of wellness,
Right.
because आप जब भी कोई एक्टिविटी करते हो, whether you go for a scuba diving, you go for a trekking, you go for a river rafting, or XYZ activity,
Hmm.
तो your mental health is prepared as per कि हाँ मुझे वो काम करना है. I
Right.
want to
Hmm. Right.
I want to go for a trekking, so I am preparing myself. तो हमने क्या किया कि हम
Right.
लोग प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं उस चीज के लिए, हम लोग पीछे का पूरा भूल गया उस टाइम के लिए. For the
Hmm.
time being, we have removed or we have erased those things which we are happening. कि चलो यार आज तो हम लोग ट्रैकिंग
Right.
करेंगे, बहुत मजे करेंगे, and after that activity is done. After that activity is done, आप थक जाते हो यार, body is all like पूरी body थक जाती है, and after that you need a good sleep. This is a part of
Hmm.
wellness.
Right.
This
Right.
again, if we say, if wellness is considered, तो you, it is not necessary कि आप किसी भी योगा retreat में जाएं. You go for a
Hmm.
place which is which is a which is a quite combination of everything activity, which are yoga, which are naturopathy, which is ayurveda, and everything. You go for a place You go for a 2 days holidays with your family. You work from there, work from the places, and indulge into a wellness recreation activities.
Right. Yeah, because travel in itself is a sort of a meditation, and if you travel
Actually,
comfortably, then you don't have anything better than that. So
so that's why
this
I
was
said.
actually my hmm.
So that's
And
what
this
I
was my
said.
next question basically, that you were talking about destinations. What can you just give some names of certain destinations which you would like to suggest in terms of going for a vacation or going on for a wellness session or wellness vacation?
So wellness vacation, as I said, you just carry your laptop with you because majority of the people are working from home as of now. So
Right.
just pack your bags, pack your laptop, the most essential thing, pack your office with you, and go to a place which is
Hmm.
nice, calm, serene. Go to, for example, if you want, like for me, if I want to travel for to recover from the situation, so I would prefer going to Kurg because Kurg is a
Okay.
destination which is in the somewhat close to my heart. It has the nature, it has the coffee plantation, it has the water bodies, it has the lake with so everything in it. So, मतलब वहाँ पे
Right.
वाटर भी आ गई, वहाँ पे नेचर भी आ गया, वहाँ पे कॉफी प्लांटेशन भी आ गई, वहाँ एक्टिविटी भी हो गई, वहाँ पे विलेज लाइफ भी हो गई और प्लस डिजिटल डिटॉक्स भी हो गया
Hmm.
वहाँ पे क्योंकि व्हेन आई गो
Hmm.
आई विल बी व्हेन आई एम इन अ रिसॉर्ट रिसॉर्ट तक मेरा वाईफाई
Hmm.
सीमित है उसके बाद में
Hmm.
नेटवर्क इशू थोड़ा थोड़ा कनेक्टिविटी कहीं रूरल प्लेसेस में आता है तो ऑटोमेटिकली हम लोग थोड़ी देर के लिए वेन एवर वी आर ट्रैवलिंग हम लोग थोड़ी देर के लिए तो उससे अपने मोबाइल से दूर हो चुके हैं दैट इज अगेन द डिजिटल डिटॉक्स
And that's very important, because during the whole lockdown, I think the digital thing has gone into the head. It's like everything digital is only getting into the head, whether it's mobile, it's television, it's your tablets, everything is digital. So I
and
think yes, you are correct on this, that you need to choose a destination with no networks, right?
so one more example I'll give. So if we are talking about the Ayurveda segment, so why not travel to a place which is known as Kovalam?
Hmm.
Kovalam, Kovalam, there
Okay.
is a very wonderful resort which is the first Ayurveda resort, which is known as the Somati Ram. Somati Ram is the first Ayurveda
Hmm.
resort in the world. हमें पता भी नहीं था.
Okay.
First Ayurveda resort in the world.
Yeah,
So
I knew that.
So why not go to a place which is fully in a Ayurveda vacation? Go for Ayurveda vacation. Go
Right,
and enter
right.
into a 5 day Ayurveda package where they give you
Hmm.
different sessions. They give you the whole Ayurveda massage. They give you Ayurveda sattvic food and everything, which is all related to Ayurveda. So why not indulge into an
Right.
activity? Why not go to a place which is fully Ayurvedic?
Hmm. Right,
or
right.
or
Uh, hmm.
traveling down to the east, why not travel to the Bay of Bengal into the oceans of Andaman?
Yeah, that's very beautiful. I've been to Andamans, and it's beautiful actually.
So why not travel to Leh Ladakh?
It's
Why not
hmm.
travel to the Jammu Kashmir, where we can be close to the nature, where we can heal ourselves?
Right, right. True. So, like, more or less, I would say that you need to choose a place according to your preference, and these were a few destinations that you would have suggested. So, looking forward that because I really need this wellness break myself. I need to travel basically because it's been like since almost 6 months I've been here in Jodhpur and I have not visited any place. So definitely I'm going to go forward with this. Moving on to the next thing. There is so much of confusion which is there. We had actually planned a travel a few days back, and the day we were supposed to leave, Rajasthan borders फिर से बंद हो गए. So can you tell us in approximate time के मतलब because you are into travel and you must be updated with all the flight schedules and the train schedules and everything like that. So can you just give me a slight idea that when can a person should really think that yes, now this is the right time to travel, कि हम उस टाइम पे बस अपना सारा प्लानिंग करके रख सकते हैं and then we can travel. So just a brief idea if you can give us.
So, ये तो आपने बात बिल्कुल मतलब प्रधानमंत्री या मुख्यमंत्री से जो बात करते हैं वो कहते हैं कि सर कब तक फ्लाइट चालू होंगी या कब हम लोग ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं. So just joking apart. So current situation is like as of now the pandemic is everywhere in almost the 27 states and the union territories. Some
Right.
some places are cured, some places are still in this under the some places are still to be cured. So I think this is the need of what we say. This is the prediction. We again can say prediction only. Because again, we cannot say that when this pandemic would get over. So if we say about the prediction, we should predict that there's a prediction that the situation would start getting normal before or after Diwali. In the month of October or November, things would start taking place.
Okay, so ideally, you should not plan your travels before October. That's basically the thing, because once your travel plan gets cancelled, you really feel bad. I really felt bad because I really needed that vacation.
That's I know that there are plans which get cancelled at the end moment, but looking at the current situation, we can travel at least in our local borders itself within the state also. For example, one can, if we are sitting in Rajasthan, we have very beautiful places within Rajasthan also which can be reached with by hardly within the reach of 5-6 hours. So if
Okay,
we have,
right, I know.
so there we can break there. So why plan for a long
Okay,
vacation?
right.
Go for short break vacations. This is the current mantra.
Yeah, and one more thing is there that usually when people talk about traveling, now I'm talking about those people, basically not those who are those who really want to travel, but they think about the budget. So do you think that a person, not I'm not talking about the current situation, I'm not talking about anything when the things get normal, can you suggest something on budget traveling as well? Because there are many people who really don't have the capacity to spend, yet they really want to go out. So for them also, I would like you to tell something.
So we recommend for budget travelers or for normal travelers. Budget travelers is just a normal quotation which is uh, from past many years. It is being rewarded in the industry. Budget travelers. So I like to say one thing that each and every traveler who is traveling, whether he's going for a small hotel or whether he's going for a luxury travel, he's a budget traveler because he has a budget in his phone. So that is a
Right,
budget travel.
right. Okay.
So I need to I'll redefine this term, this thing. It is backpackers or the people who are doing backing trips. So for them, we'll recommend the local homestays, which would be like very in the economical range, and these homestay would offer them actual country, actual essence of India. For example, if we are traveling to the areas of Jamai Bang, so there are very small local homestays which offer you accommodation at a very cheap price. Cheap, cheap can be anything for you. So it is your budget which has to be decided. But I am saying cheap in the sense
Okay.
that cheap. Cheap cheap means cheap and effective. Homestays,
Yeah, cheap means, yeah, the prices are low.
the prices are low. अभी तक हमारे
Yeah.
कॉन्सेप्ट में
Okay.
till now the concept was कि we should travel to hotels, but 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 if we consider social distancing, if we consider the COVID-19 situation, so
Hmm.
वहाँ पे देखा जाए तो social distancing is the major fact, major thing, or we
Hmm.
can say physical distancing. तो 2 मीटर की दूरी तो मिनिमम बना के रखनी ही है आपको. So why not we prefer to go for a place which would impact or which would give a revenue to a person who is needy. So these are homestays all about.
Right.
Go, go to a local place, rest into somebody's
Hmm.
home like you and me who are running their homestays, and
Hmm.
have this would give them the revenue. This would give them the revenue to run
Hmm.
that homestay. Have food from them. Have their homemade food. So homemade food, we are avoiding the outside hotel ka khana, restaurant ka khana, which would again heal us, which would again
Hmm.
be uh, kind of wellness to us. Ghar ka bana khana, shuddh sattvic khana, and
Hmm.
we pay for the meals. We pay for meals at outside restaurants also. But that if we pay to that person, that would give an income to him.
Hmm.
That would again be
Right.
part
Right.
of his livelihood. So for the
Right.
travelers, this is I'm recommending to everybody that one should, thinking of the current situation, one should prefer going to homestays because homestays are
Hmm.
very safe. They are just
Hmm.
home like you and me of like हम हमारे और आपके जैसे कहाँ घर है.
Okay. That's interesting. Okay. All right. So, the I think I've asked you many a questions, but this is something which is very very interesting that I need to know about the healing journeys because I think this is something which is going to help out the people out here who are listening to us. So please tell me something about the healing journeys.
तो हम जब बात करते हैं हीलिंग जर्नीज की तो अभी हम लोग तो व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड एट 5 o'clock एंड इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 5:30 तो अभी तक हम लोग हीलिंग मेडिटेशन की ही बात करते आ रहे हैं. So this is the part of healing journeys. So the healing journeys is a project of ours where we are going to launch or we are this is like we are placing the wellness stays. आपको this is the
Hmm.
concept which is totally into the wellness tourism where you indulge
Hmm.
into the activities of Ayurveda, you go for a yoga, you go for a meditation, and n number of activities. So this is all the healing journeys is all about. So the healing
Okay.
journeys
Okay.
is a wellness travel you can say, which would like which would help us
Okay.
in healing yourself from inner soul.
Okay. So that was beautiful, I think. And those who are listening to us, please take your mental health seriously. And travel is something which can really, really help you out and make travel a part of your life. It is very, very important for the travel to be a part of your life. So, with this, I would just like to thank Gunjan for being here. Gunjan, thank you so much. And it was, I think that, for me, it was really, really few things because at times it gets difficult for people to know all these things which are the basic things, but because I travel a lot and I am a travel freak and my complete team is a travel freak, so I think मेरे लिए तो ये बहुत interesting session था. And looking forward to talk to you more on the healing journeys and of course related to the other travel as well. Thank you so much for being
So
here. Thank you, Mahmood, for coordinating the whole thing. Thank you so much. And guys,
hello.
please join us tomorrow. West Travelostan is a part of our the whole event that we did on the mental health. And I would
Each and
request
every
all of you to
traveler
please
who is
join us
traveling,
tomorrow at 7:15 a.m. in the morning for Yogdhara 6.0's main event. And let's
Hello.
rock and let's remove the harmful effects of and take in the good effects of the Surya Grahan
गुंजन सर आवाज आ रही है?
tomorrow. So see you tomorrow at 7:15 online.
आ रही है आवाज आपकी.
Sorry.
Okay, Neeti ma'am's net I think is not working
So
proper. We will be soon joining us
okay.
back.
So it is just a thank you note.
So before we end
So
this
thank you
session,
so much.
hello, hello,
Hello.
hello. So
Hello. I can
before
hear
we
you.
end this, so I just want to conclude the session before we go say thank you note. So at 7 o'clock, today we are having a session on the whole session on the healing journeys, where we'll take you to the whole concept of Ayurvedic vacations, the meditation vacation and the relaxing vacation. So do join us today at Facebook, and Diti and the team Mantrain are also part of this session. So I would request everybody to join us live at 7 o'clock in the evening. Before this, I would like to again thank to all the participants and the listeners for listening us, and especially to the team Mantrain for inviting me.
So definitely, I would also request that you do join us for the next session. And for now, thank you so much. Hari Om.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.